Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Illustrator to design scalable vector icons step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set your artboard to the desired size for your icon. Choose the pen tool from the toolbar on the left. Begin by clicking on the artboard to create your first anchor point. Continue clicking to create additional anchor points, forming the outline of your icon. To create curves, click and drag to adjust the direction handles of the anchor points. Use the Direct Selection tool to fine-tune the curves and shapes as needed. Once the outline is complete, select the Shape Builder tool for more complex designs. Use the Shape Builder tool to combine or subtract overlapping shapes. Fill your shapes with color using the Color Picker or Swatches panel. To ensure scalability, keep your icons as vector shapes. If needed, use the Pathfinder panel to unite or divide shapes. Zoom in to check the details and make adjustments where necessary. Save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. When satisfied with your design, go to File and select Export. Choose Export as and select the SVG format for scalability. In the SVG options, make sure to choose the appropriate settings for web use. Click OK to export your scalable vector icon. Your icon is now ready for use in various applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.